A commercial contractor established in 1985, Scull Construction has completed dozens of civic, education, healthcare, and retail projects throughout the Northern Plains states, a region with growing demands for commercial infrastructure. As Scull stepped up to the challenge and requests for estimates multiplied, Scull executives recognized the need for a faster, more standardized approach to the bidding process. The solution? ProEst. Similarities to the Excel spreadsheets they had used before simplified the transition to the ProEst platform, giving users a head start on mastering the ProEst system. What did change was a new confidence in the accuracy of ProEst calculations. Gone was the potential for unintended Excel errors and the need to check and recheck bottom-line numbers every time an estimate was approved. Now, Scull estimators can produce accurate, competitive bids in a fraction of the time it used to take, each producing between 10 and 20 estimates every month. Just as important, ProEst's full integration with the company's ProCore and Foundation software means estimate data transfers automatically for accounting and financial management tasks, saving back-office teams valuable time and reducing the potential for re-entry errors. Even better, the ProEst cloud platform keeps Scull's field teams connected and collaborating, whether they're working from home or on remote job sites. That's good news for a construction company fully focused on the future, when the demands of new, large-scale construction projects will grow exponentially. With ProEst on board and all of the pieces in place, Scull Construction is more than ready for whatever comes their way. What can ProEst do for you?